First we will launch the MAMP application, and if MAMP is not installed in your system, then you can refer the installation video, link is in the description. Now to launch MAMP application, we will press command and space keys and type MAMP here. Now we will select this MAMP to launch the MAMP application. Here we will first configure the ports for MySQL and the Apache server, and for that we will click on this preferences option. Here we will select these ports, and now we will click on this 80 and 3306 option, which will set the desired ports for us. Now we will click OK here. We will now start the Apache server from here. Once the server will be started, this page will be opened automatically. And if I open a new tab and type localhost here, then we will see this welcome page from MAMP. And we are getting this particular page because of this index.php file. And the location of this file is this applications/mamp/htdocs. And we will also create our WordPress website inside this htdocs folder itself. Now before installing WordPress, we will first create a MySQL database using phpMyAdmin. And for that we need to come again to this home page of MAMP. By any chance, if you had closed this page, then you can come to this particular page by typing localhost/mamp in the address bar. Now on this page, we will click on this tools and select phpMyAdmin from here. Now we will click on this new option here, and we will give the name of the database. So let's give the name as WordPress DB, and let's hit create. And the default credentials for this database we can find on the home page of MAMP. So let me show you that also. So on this page, if we scroll down a bit, then we will see this MySQL section. And if we click on this, then we will see this username and password here, which are the default credentials for our MySQL database. Now to download WordPress, we will search for WordPress download in any browser. And we will look for this link, which is this wordpress.org download. Now we will open this page. Here we will click on this download button. Once it is downloaded successfully, we will locate this file into the finder. Now we will double click on this to unzip this file. Now we will copy this folder and paste it into the htdocs folder. For that we will click on this go and then select this applications here. Here we will look for this MAMP folder. Here it is. Let's go inside this. Let's go inside this htdocs folder as well. And here I will paste that copied folder. Now in order to install this, we will try to access the WordPress folder into the browser. For that, in the new tab, we will type localhost/WordPress and hit enter. Now this will open up the installer for us. Here we will select the language and click on continue. Now we will click on let's go. Here we will fill in the database name which we had created on the phpMyAdmin. So we will fill in WordPress DB. Now we will type root in the username as well as in the password. We will keep the host and the table prefix as is and click on submit now. If you want to save this, then click on save, otherwise not now. We will now run the installation. Here we will provide the site title. So let's say our website provides study content related to artificial intelligence. So we can keep the title as Master in AI. Now we will provide the username which will be used to log in into our website as the admin. So let's keep this skilled ENGG. Now we will set our password. For now I will set a simpler password, but you should keep a strong password. So let's keep this test password. And here I will confirm to use the weak password. Here we will provide one email. Now we will click on install WordPress. I do not want to save the password. Now the installation is successful. Now we will log in into our website. For that we will click on this login button. Here we will type our credentials which we had configured in the last step. And here it was test password. I will say login. I do not want to save this. Now we will have WordPress dashboard, which is the backend of our website. Now if I hover on plugins and click on the installed plugins here, Then we can see all the installed plugins, and we can install any new plugin by clicking on this add new plugin option here. Similarly, to change the theme, we will hover on this appearances and click on themes. So here we can see that this 2024 theme is already activated, and we can install any new theme by clicking on this add new theme option here. Now if I click on this, then we will have multiple theme options here from which we can install any theme. And at last, to access our website, we will type localhost/WordPress. So this is how our 2024 themes looks like, and we can see all this content because of the 2024 theme which is already installed in our website. I hope the video was useful to you.